This is the Bosch 1617 EVS variable speed router. With a 2¼ horsepower 12-amp motor, this router can provide 8,000 to 25,000 RPM and tackle those tough routing applications and materials. Turn the speed up or down with the variable speed dial depending on the job at hand. This Bosch router is available with plunge and fixed bases. The fixed base has threaded holes to mount to a router table. The wide base opening and 2-inch subwoofer opening accepts larger bits, while the front spindle lock lets you easily and quickly change bits. Coarse and microfine adjustment knobs allow for versatile, precise depth adjustment. Soft start reduces startup torque, and constant response circuitry helps to maintain a constant speed under load while providing overload protection. Precision centering design makes it easy to keep the bit on the intended outline when using jigs, templates, dovetail fixtures, and other guidance devices. Right or left switch location allows for user preference and consistency so the motor doesn't rotate during depth adjustment. Contoured soft grip handles enhance comfort and control. So there you have it, the Bosch 1617 EVS variable speed router. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch power tools.
We've been around the job site for almost 100 years. We invented the skill saw, and now we've reinvented the recip saw. Buzzkill technology goes faster and transfers less vibration to your hands. So, with all this power and performance, what will you demolish? Skill saw, reciprocating saw with Buzzkill technology. Demolish vibration. Skill saw. Stay true.
The Jaw Horse is the most versatile and feature-filled workshop tools ever designed. It really is that second set of hands you've always needed when doing jobs around the home or your work site. If you have not used your Jaw Horse workstation yet, you'll be amazed at how easy it makes many of the jobs you once struggled with. Now, let's review the many unique and useful features of the Jaw Horse. This rugged workstation has all steel construction to stand up to the most rigorous job site demands. The three-legged design promotes stability on uneven terrain. The legs can be fastened down when needed. The Jaw Horse can support 600 pounds of weight. Using the foot pedal up to 2,200 pounds, that's more than 1 ton of clamping force can be applied to the jaws. It can securely hold an amazing amount of heavy or hard to manage items like bicycles, doors, and other items in ways other clamps simply cannot do. The clamp can be released with a simple step on the pedal. The jaws feature removable rubber pads to protect the workpiece from being scarred. The jaws are designed so items can be positioned horizontally, vertically, or any angle in between. The jaw horse can hold items up to 37 inches wide by simply reversing the jaw position. Use the optional plywood jaw to extend the capacity to a full 52 inches. The jaw horse makes an excellent clamp for cutting multiple boards simultaneously. The entire jaw horse can be folded into a very compact unit for transportation or storage. Using the front leg as a handle, the unit can be rolled from location to location with a built-in roller.